If you are free from the mental suffering, so you will also be free from the physical suffering. Physical suffering is secondary. And even though if you feel some sufferance, but it wouldn't be a burden so much, or maybe not at all, or less burden. For example, we are also doing, many of us have operations, and to have operations, nothing enjoyment, but we also would like to take a risk, that kind of suffering or inconvenience, right? So because we can see after this doing operation, we will have a free from this kind of pain. So therefore, we take a risk with great pleasure, with voluntarily. So therefore, we should not expect from the external, from somewhere, some Buddha, Bodhisattva, your teacher, meditation deity, potential deity, whoever, they should help us.